Hi everyone, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to rotate an image in Canva. Let's get started. After opening Canva, select the design size. For this tutorial, I'll be using a YouTube thumbnail template. Click on it. Next, import an image. Click the image to add the image to the page. To rotate the image, simply select it and look for the rotate icon. Click and drag to rotate the image. Alternatively, you can go to the position settings. Then navigate to the advanced settings and locate the rotate value. Here, you can enter a specific value, for example 45 degrees, and press enter to rotate the image by 45 degrees. That's it. This is how you can rotate an image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful.